children, Sai Ram. Today in composition period I am going to take new voice textbook activity, that is of lesson number 12, Whale in the Sky. Okay children, ready? Now I am going to take page 110, that is write true or false. A blue whale is bigger than a camel. A blue whale is bigger than a camel. True or false? True. Let's see. True. Fishes need wings to swim. Fishes need wings to swim. False. Let's see. Very good. Fishes need gills to breathe. Fishes need gills to breathe. True. Good. The whale has a nose on its head. The whale has a nose on its head. True. Yes, very good. Whales can be heard only when you go close to them. Whales can be heard only when you go close to them. False. Their voice is very bigger. Now again I am reading, just listen. A blue whale is bigger than a camel. True. Fishes need wings to swim. False. Fishes need gills to breathe. True. The whale has a nose on its head. True. Whales can be heard only when you go close to them. False. Now, page 111, fill in the blanks. There is dirt in my shirt. My shirt is dirty. There are clouds in the sky. It is cloudy. This smells like a fruit. It has a fruity smell. She washed her eyes with water. Her eyes were watery. Mother added milk to the batter. The cake tasted milky. Again I am repeating, just listen. There is dirt in my shirt. My shirt is dirty. There are clouds in the sky. It is cloudy. This smells like fruit. It has a fruity smell. She washed her eyes with water. Her eyes were watery. Mother added milk to the batter. The cake tasted milky. Next. Page 112. Circle the correct word. She talks to him. She talks to him. They like Ria. They likes Ria. Ram and Ritu goes to the park every day. Ram and Ritu go to the park every day. We don't like going for films. We don't like going for films. Mr. Sinha drives to his office. Mr. Sinha drives to his office. Bobby eats its lunch after school. Bobby eats his lunch after school. Page 112, fill in the blanks using a or an. I saw an elephant in the zoo. I saw an elephant in the zoo. Do you have a yellow ribbon? Do you have a yellow ribbon? Meena gave me a chocolate. Meena gave me a chocolate. I want an answer to this question. I want an answer to this question. My mother needs an orange, a pear, and an egg for this dish. My mother needs an orange, a pear and an egg for his dish. Page 113, fill in the blanks with do or does. When do you like to eat dinner? When do you like to eat dinner? Does she like to study in the morning? Does she like to study in the morning? What do they like to play? What do they like to play? Does he go to school every day? Does he go to school every day? We do our homework every day. We do our homework every day. Now kids, these were textbook activity which you all are going to write in your textbook. Those who have textbook, they can write it. Those who don't have textbook, they copy it in one of the book. Now children, we have already told that we'll be taking dictation after this activity. So are you all ready with the book and the pencil? If you all are not ready, teacher will wait for some time. Fast take a book and a pencil. Now kids, you all know what to do. First page you will write, left hand page you will write corrections, and on the right hand page you will write NV lesson number 12 dictation, and write 10 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fast do. Ready? The first word is watching. 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 Next one, carries. 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 Number 3, shapes. 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 Number 4, excitedly. 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 Number 5, vivid. 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 Number 6, giggles. 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 Number 7, underwater. 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 Finish? Next one, breathes, breathes, breathes. Finish, children. Backstroke, 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 backstroke. And the last and the best word is tucked, tucked, tucked. Finish, children. I'll read the word again. Kids, ready? Just check it, okay? First word is watching, watching. Carries, carries. Shapes, shapes. Excitedly, excitedly. Vivid, vivid. Giggles, giggles. Under water, under water. Breathes, breathes. Backstroke, backstroke. Tuck, tuck. Okay, kids. Now here are the dictation words. Okay, check it and write the corrections 3 times. Until then, children start studying for the exams. Exams are nearing. Timetable has been given in the group. Look at the timetable. Okay, and start studying. We'll be taking revision, but then to start studying. And those who have not given Marathi formative papers, please start submitting. Now also time is there. You can submit in the group. Okay. Till then, see you. Bye-bye. Take care.